it's Sejal. So I'm doing a chilled out video like this after a really long time. I'm going to talk about all the trends that are on the market on the Instagram. I love dressing up. I love fashion. And जब से मैं Bombay shift हुई हूँ, I feel like मेरा style काफी better हो गया है. Self-praising, but I genuinely do think मेरा style काफी better हो गया है. मैं काफी ज़्यादा experiment कर रही हूँ. So काफी time से I have been observing some cool new trends that are popular right now. So this may be a video that a lot of you may not find relatable क्योंकि काफी out there है. But I think it's cool to always like try new things, and also this is for my girls who like to wear and boys who just like to be out of their comfort zone and like try something new. Also, it's really cool how these days, जब मैं school और college में थी, ज़्यादा लोग experiment नहीं करते थे, especially guys. But these days, everyone is experimenting a lot. Anyway, long intro. Let's get started. If you guys enjoy, please subscribe, like, bell button, comment. I'm going to read out one comment in the outro of this video that I picked from my last video. So stay tuned for that. So the first trend is pearls in literally everything. Clips. It was just these berets and clips that pearls were popular on, but now in hairbands, in belts. This is actually not my belt. The stylist that I work with, Ruchi's belt, so she's left it with me, so I'm showing you guys. In earrings, in berets. These are those patla wala clips that I really like. And along with pearls, there's also a lot of seashells, so I take them in the same category. So pearls are really big in handbags also. मेरे पास नहीं है वो छोटे वाले purses. And also in a lot of silver jewelry. And in terms of styling them, मैं उसे कुछ plain चीज के साथ पेयर करूंगी, कुछ ज़्यादा patterns या कुछ बड़े prints I wouldn't use. Example, if it's a plain black dress, then I would use the belt there. To style the headband, I wore it with this super girly top जो मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ है, with these really chilled out jeans. So it's like casual, girly and girly. So I like how the look is different. And I'm gonna pair it with these sneakers. Okay, next up is my favorite thing, which is the Puppy Lady jewelry. Actually, I was loving this way back, like the dainty gold jewelry, but these days, dainty cool gold jewelry has become too Puppy Lady. I went crazy in Forever 21 when it used to exist and bought this like super gangsta looking jewelry. This is something called VSCO jewelry. मेरे को नहीं पता ये सब क्या होता है. Again, shells, like I said, shells are also really popular. These coin necklaces are really cool right now. And this one friend of mine was like, तूने क्या पूजा वाला locket पहन रखा है ना? I was just like, no dude. And another thing which I haven't opened till now, क्योंकि मुझे भी इससे डर लग रहा है. बहुत crazy है ये. Dude, कैसा लग रहा है? Rapper. It's actually not bad, okay? How it looks really cool is like a lot of it together on something plain, or something that's showing your neck a lot, or even something that's like closed on your neck and you can add it on top of your turtleneck ke upar, you can add your jewelry. And I want to show you these kind of earrings. They're also really popular. This style of Pooh from K3G x Britney Spears is so in right now. So this is a bag, the H&M से है. And I have another one like that. I don't like this one as much as I like this one. And to style this again with something plain, मैंने इस bag से start किया. And उसके साथ मैंने सब कुछ plain पहना है. Plain black spaghetti tube top. मेरे पास अभी tube top है. That's why I'm wearing that. And I'm again wearing the same white sneakers that I always wear because the red here matches the red here, so it looks good together. And I'm wearing two of the Puppy Lady jewelry because the neck is empty and it's just looking very trendy. I like mixing girly things with like sneakers or something casual. I've coined a term for my style, guys, these days. I call it elevated casuals to make an outfit which is a little bit girly. I would wear this with a skirt and a crop top and just totally go with that Barbie Britney Spears vibe. Made popular by Diljit Dosanjh, which is Balenciaga ke joote. These are not Balenciaga shoes, but this pattern has become really popular, and like a lot of stores like Zara, H&M, street markets, they all have them. That's what usually happens with trends. Like designers, like big designers come up with something, and agar wo bahut popular ho jata hai, then everyone just makes the same thing. And especially like in lighter pastel colors, I think it looks really good. This specific pattern. Sneakers in general, this pair of shoes is literally my favorite thing ever. ये हर किसी के साथ जाते हैं. Anyway, I think a good pair of white sneakers is great because you can wear it with girly, feminine outfits, or you can wear it with something that's a little more structured. Sneakers usually हर किसी चीज के साथ जाते हैं, other than you want to avoid something that makes you look like an overgrown child. Like for example, with a skirt like this, these shoes just just look weird. Like ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अभी स्कूल जाने वाली हूँ. Instead, I would prefer to wear them with these kind of boyfriend/mom jeans. And remember कि नीचे थोड़ा fold करोगे तो to make your legs look longer also. और a skirt of this length. Basically something जो थोड़ा सा mature हो. Okay, next thing is also one of my favorites. इस वीडियो में सब कुछ ही मेरा favorite है. Okay, this is not it. I'm not like these clasps. They look so cool on clothing. Popularized by K-pop fashion, obviously. And I got this one skirt which really reminds me of Lisa from Blackpink style. It's just a simple cargo pants and cargo style skirts, cargo style anything is also really popular. In terms of styling this, so this skirt काफी edgy है. You can definitely wear this with anything plain, a white t-shirt or something that matches it. But I like to just do opposite and like make it different. So I'm wearing it with this super pretty looking top which is completely opposite, but I think it looks damn cool with this. I'm wearing it with combat boots. Next up is I was gonna say color blocking, but I don't think this is what it is. It's like different patches of colorful designs, and I've seen this kind of style on denim jeans, on skirts. They always have colors that really go well with each other. They're muted colors and just in this pattern it looks really good. And with this particular jacket or just anything in this pattern, I would style it with something again plain because this is so out there, or maybe something that brings out one of the colors on this jacket. Style this one because this jacket काफी oversized है. I think overall it looks good if you wear skirt, shorts, whatever. जो jacket की length की हो. So overall like it makes your body look really good. Or if you're not comfortable with something short, wearing it with jeans or something really long is a really good idea. I have whole pink over here and my shoes are also green, matching the colors. So you can pick one color and match the rest. Next up are joggers or track pants. So I have two. This is a black one. This is really cool. इसके side में white stripe है and it has pockets on the side and it bunches up on the ankle. This I hate. Whoever is making these joggers and track pants, can you stop bunching it on the ankle? बहुत irritating होता है. And I have another one which is pink. This color is also really popular right now. I think this is really great to chill out दिन पे पहनने के लिए जब dress up करने का इतना मन नहीं कर रहा. And you can also wear something like this to the airport, which is a good look. Okay, and the last thing that I want to talk about are colored eyeliners. मैंने अभी blue eyeliner भी लगाया हुआ है, which I think is so cool. I don't really experiment too much with makeup because I'm not really too good at doing eyeshadows right now. I need a lot of practice. But something like eyeliner काफी easy लगता है मुझे क्योंकि 10th grade से practice है. मेरे Prada के dance video में मैंने green eyeliner use किया था, which everyone loved. Yeah, and I think that's it for all the trends. I hope you feel very trendy right now, and kidding. I just hope this gave you a little bit of fashion inspiration and just encourages you to try something out of your comfort zone. And as promised, I'm going to read out that one comment from one of my videos. It's from Hritikan Sahu. People are going to judge you in either way. It's only you who's going to perceive those judgments. Remember, no one can ever have control, but only you. You're the key to break those negativity and channel positivity through all your senses. Have a good day. Super good message. I try and incorporate this in my daily life every day and fail and try again and fail and try again. Most importantly, thank you so much for your amazing feedback on all my videos in this month. The next month is going to be really busy. I don't think I'll be able to put up so many bonus videos जैसे मैंने इस month में डाली थी because मैं engineering girls के season 2 के shoot पे जा रही हूँ कुछ 18 दिन के लिए Delhi. So there's only going to be one video a week on Fridays. So hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, bell button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger. Alright, this red finger for people like them.